Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to hide your page following on the Facebook app when using your PC, even after the latest update. If you want to keep your followed pages private, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control everything about your Facebook experience. Now, scroll down the left-hand menu until you see Followers and Public Content. Click on it to open the privacy settings related to your followers and the content you interact with. Here, look for the section that says Who can see the people, pages, and lists that you follow. By default, this setting might be set to Public or Friends, which means others can see the pages you follow. To make this private, click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Only Me. This ensures that only you can view your followed pages. No one else will be able to see them on your profile. Once you've chosen Only Me, make sure to click Done to save your changes. That's it! Your page following list is now hidden from everyone but you. Taking a few minutes to update your privacy settings can make a big difference in how much personal information you share online. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.